there! Today I am in a community called Parkside in Lebanon, Ohio, and this is a new community still being developed. It has floor plans starting at high 4s, going all the way up to 1.3. The model home is 1.3, of course, because it has all the upgrades. We're going to do a tour of this home today. Here's the master bedroom. Beautiful views. This community offers 60-acre park, pickleball courts, pools. Look at this master bathroom, just gorgeous. Walk-in showers, 2 vanities, separate toilet, walk-in closet, here is a second closet for the primary suite. I'm going to go through this extra wide hallway and look at a second bedroom. Here is a third bedroom. Here is a fourth bedroom. This is the hallway bath. Double vanities, beautiful tile work. I love the tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Then we're going to enter the hallway again. This will be an area, of course they're using it as an office, game room, a loft area that can be used for anything. Here is your 2-story entryway, luxury vinyl. Let's go through one more section here. This is the master bedroom. We just toured that. Just giving you a layout of the floor. So, master's on one side, 3 bedrooms on that side. Let's go downstairs. Beautiful lake view, pickleball, walking trails, bike trails. The amenities go on and on. We'll have a list. There's a deck here, 2-story, open floor plan. Let's go down. Entryway, formal dining room, lots of storage, beautiful walkway to the living room. We'll do the kitchen later. Let's go through here. This is going to be the 2-car garage and an extra space for storage. Again, this is the builder's section for now. A huge first floor laundry, sink, cabinets, and it's tall ceilings, lots of can lights. We have a butler's pantry. The breakfast room. Again, the great room does open up. Kitchen. We're going to go into the office. Look at how gorgeous that is. This is the first floor powder room. This house offers lots of storage. Whoops, sorry if you're getting dizzy. This is a deck. Again, this is neighborhoods being developed. Walking trails, bike trails, pickleball, pools, swimming. We're going to go down and see access to the lower level. Let's see what we've got here. So we have 2 sections to the second floor deck. This one leads right off of the living room, but look at the view here. Brand new development. We're going to share the details of this community in the description below. MI Homes is changing gears. This is the first neighborhood they have done like this. So the entry leads to the basement. Let's go check out the basement. This is 2 stories high. Huge landing, carpet, a lot of noise going up and down. Again, this is the model, so it has all of the upgrades that are offered with MI in this community. We have a full bathroom. This is going to be the utility and storage area. Huge landing down here. Another storage area could be used for a craft room, an office, whatever you need. We're going to do a closet, and then we have the finished area where everyone's going to have fun. This is where your guests will hang out. Sink, counters. Let's view it from this angle. There's lots of room here for entertaining and guests. This basement also offers another finished room and a powder room. This one is going for 1.3. Again, MI is the builder. It's the first time they've had a community like this. Nice patio outside of the basement, which again you can access from the second floor. So if you have lots of guests, children coming for holidays, birthdays, there's room for everyone. Beautiful view, wooded lot. This is gorgeous.